welcome to PhDizzle, and I'm your host, Alice Chang. And today we'll be interviewing Dr. Reyhaan Chaudhri, who got his PhD in molecular biology from Georgia Tech, and now works in market development for a spinal solutions company. Can you tell me about what you studied during your PhD?
I worked in an orthopedic tissue engineering lab where we focused on everything from the basic science of how bone responds to different stimuli to actual engineering of different materials. What my thesis was based on was looking at how hormones signal to bone cells to regenerate bone, and just studied how cancer cells from different areas of the body travel to the bone based on these hormone stimuli.
So now you work for a spine company. Is that a continuation of what you did in grad school, or how did you go down that path?
Taking from my PhD studies, I learned a lot about bone biology, learned a little bit about cancer and hormones, and then from my postdoc experience, I learned a lot about creating biotherapeutics, gene editing, looking at vascular biology. Through that, I had connections where with my previous background being in orthopedics, I found my way into this spine company where now I'm learning about market development on different aspects of the spine solutions, and it has very close relations to my previous background in material science in the PhD field.
Wow. So your role now is in market development. What does that actually mean?
Part of it is taking the science behind our technologies and looking at them not as products, but as technologies based on science. For example, if I have surgeons that have created this new technology and they want that to make it to the market, I take that science, put it into a marketing package that makes sense for other surgeons to be able to understand how they want to use that technology, and the sales team relays that information to the field where other surgeons can understand more easily what that means to them and how that's going to improve their practice.
I know a lot of people who are hesitant or scared to go from a scientific background into industry, and then more specifically into like a more business-facing role like you have. It sounds like, though, in your role, you're still very close to the science, you're just applying it.
There is a sales and a business component to what I'm doing, so I'm taking my background in science, being able to apply it, but I'm also learning with the field.
So we're at Ballast Point in Long Beach, California. What are some of the things that you like to do for fun?
Other than the science and the marketing that I do, I really love to cook. So we have here a bunch of condiments, and I would like to take whatever we've got, and I will cook something for you.
We have these little cups. Did you know that these cups open so you can open like this?
What? You can found them out? That's amazing. That's a wonderful piece of useless information. I just came up with a new recipe. I was telling you about this earlier. Sriracha is delicious. You know what it's delicious with? And a marinade for salmon. All you gotta do is take a little bit of sriracha, some ginger, soy sauce, and sesame oil, marinate your salmon, grill it really quickly, and put it on whatever you want.
PhDizzle.
Having an excellent time with smart people who do cool things.